Croeso mawr I Noson Agored chweched Dosbarth ysgol Llanfyllin. Good evening everyone and welcome to a sixth form open evening.
2023 is going to be an important and exciting year for you as you leave year 11 and begin your adventure into further education. And we believe that Ysgol Llanfyllin is an excellent choice for your post-16 studies. We offer a wealth of opportunities here and we are very well equipped to help you achieve your potential in both academic and vocational courses.
Mae dechrau chweched dosbarth yn gam mawr a byddwn yn gwneud popeth o fewn ein gallu i'ch helpu i wneud y dewisiadau pwysig wrth benderfynu beth yw astudio ac ymhle. Fy enw yw Miss Kim Evans a fi fydd eich rheolwr cynnydd ar gyfer eich chweched dosbarth. Fy ngwaith yw eich helpu, eich cefnogi a charwain trwy flynyddoedd 10 a 30 ac yna eich helpu i gychwyn ar ba bynnag lwybr y byddwch yn dewis ei gymeryd yn y dyfodol. Gallai hyn olygu mynd I brifysgol, dilyn prentisiaeth, blwyddyn I ffwrdd neu fynd I fyd gwaith.
Here at Ysgol Llanfyllin, we always put the individual needs of the learner first and pride ourselves in creating a homely, welcoming environment through our core value of teulu. Ultimately, our goal is for you to achieve the best possible outcome in your studies, and we recognise the importance of supporting you both inside and outside the classroom in order for you to achieve this. When you join our sixth form, you will be assigned an experienced tutor who will assist you on a day-to-day basis with any issues that arise. Your tutor will also be there to support you with your future university or career choices, including helping you with your UCAS application, personal statements, and your university or work-related reference.
Mae ein myfyrwyr chweched dosbarth hefyd yn gwerthfawrogi'r berthynas agos y maent yn ei meithrin gyda'i athrawon pwnc. Un myfyrwyr sy'n dychwelyd, mantais bwysig o barhau yn Ysgol Llanfyllin yw bod eich athrawon yn eich adnabod yn dda ac wedi datblygu dealltwriaeth o sut rydych yn astudio ac yn gweithio a sut I wneud y gorau o'ch potensial. I'r rhai sy'n ymuno â ni o ysgolion eraill, rydym yn ymfalchio yn ein croeso cynnes a'r cyflymder y bydd yn athrawon yn dod i'ch adnabod chi a'ch anghenion dysgu unigol. Rwy'n sicr y byddwch yn teimlo rhan o Ysgol Llanfyllin yn fuan.
In addition to the care, support and guidance you will receive from Mrs Evans, your tutors and other sixth form teachers, we also have a full-time learning coach who is based in our sixth form centre. Mrs Beth MacDonald supports and helps students every day with many academic and pastoral issues. Mrs MacDonald will meet with you individually and in small groups to discuss any additional support or guidance you might need. This can be anything from support with homework, meeting deadlines for assignments and coursework, or helping you to develop important independent study skills, which are crucial in the sixth form and at university.
Bydd llawer o'ch gwersi blwyddyn 10 yn digwydd yn ein canolfan chweched dosbarth newydd. Ni yw un o'r unig ysgolion ym Mhywys sydd â'i chanolfan chweched dosbarth ddynodedig ei hun. Yn canolfan chweched mae gennym lawer ystafelloedd dosbarth lle dysgu'r pynciau megis seicoleg, y cyfryngau, Saesneg a Ffrangeg. Mae gennym hefyd gaffi cain lle mae ein myfyrwyr yn gweithio, yn sgwrsio ac yn ymlacio a hefyd yn prynu diodydd poeth a bwyd yn ystod amser egwyl. Mae yna lawer o'r ardaloedd lle gall myfyrwyr gweithio'n dawel gan gynnwys ardal astudio dawel, ystafell waith gymunedol ac ystafell cyfrifiaduron ar wahân. Mae gan canolfan chweched hefyd ystafell cyffredin fawr gyda man eistedd cyfforddus, sgrin fawr ac ardal gemau I chi ymlacio a chymdeithasu ynddi.
As one of the largest sixth forms in Powys, we are proud to offer an extensive range of academic and vocational subjects. This year we have offered 21 subjects in Year 12 based at Ysgol Llanfyllin, plus an additional 8 courses that can be accessed via our Chweched Powys and Trisgol partnership with other North Powys schools and colleges. Through these partnerships, students can study subjects which are not available in their home school. This can be done through a variety of methods. For example, some courses are conducted through full face-to-face learning, where students travel between centres like Llanfyllin, Welshpool and Correinion to access their lessons. Another example is where students study online through e-ysgol, where students from across the county take part in virtual lessons in specialist subjects such as further maths, politics, sociology, or computer science. We are also beginning to establish partnerships with other providers such as Neath Port Talbot College in Newtown to offer more vocational courses on site here in Llanfyllin. This agile way of working with our Powys partners allows us to offer an even greater breadth of subjects for you to study at sixth form.
Yn ogystal â'r ystod eang o bynciau y gynigir yma, rydym hefyd yn falch iawn o'n llwyddiant Magloriaeth Cymru, cymwyster y mae pob myfyriwr ym mlwyddyn 12 yn ei astudio. Mae hyn yn cael ei gydnabod gan brifysgolion a chyflogwyr fel cymhwyster rhagorol, ac yn wir, mae wedi helpu llawer o'n cyn-fyfyrwyr i lwyddo i ennill eu prifysgol dewis cyntaf. Ynghyd â blaenoriaethu'r agwedd gyfannol at addysg ac at yr unigolyn, rydym hefyd yn ymfalchio yn ein canlyniadau aroliadau gwych sy'n agor drysau cyfleoedd i gynifer o'n disgyblion.
Summer 2022 saw our students achieving excellent results in both AS and A-levels. We are incredibly proud of them, as they were the first group of students to sit formal examinations for 3 years, a huge achievement. The school consistently achieves impressive results. Last year, nearly all our students achieved the necessary results to enter their first choice universities, including 2 students getting places at Cambridge and several others going to their Russell Group choice. These results are achieved by building solid foundations lower down the school, where historically our results are well above both Powys and Wales.
Mae bywyd chweched dosbarth yn rhoi cyfle i chi datblygu sgiliau trosglwyddadwy pwysig. Byddwch yn cael eich annog i gymryd rhan mewn digwyddiadau codi arian a drefnir gan uwch dîm a swyddogion. Fe chynogir hefyd i fentora a chefnogi ein disgyblion iau trwy ystod o heriau gymunedol, megis cefnogaeth yn yr ystafell dosbarth, hyfforddi chwaraeon a chefnogaeth disgyblion unigol mewn pwnc neu dosbarth o'ch dewis. Mae hon yn ffordd wych i chi adeiladu profiad gwaith gwerthfawr sy'n helpu tuag at eich cymwyster Bagloriaeth Cymru, eich cais UCAS neu eich gyrfa.
Sixth form students also have the opportunity to take part in other extracurricular activities, such as sports teams, musical ensembles, exhibitions in subjects such as design technology and art, and large whole-school projects such as the exciting production of Matilda, which is due to take place in February.
Yn olaf, mae ein myfyrwyr yn cael cyfle i muno â'n taith unwaith mewn oes i orfordir gorllewinol America, sy'n cynnwys ymweld â San Francisco, Las Vegas, Los Angeles a nifer o barciau cenedlaethol gan gynnwys y Grand Canyon a Pharc Cenedlaethol Yosemite. Mae'r myfyrwyr sydd wedi bod ar y daith hon yn dweud ei fod yn brofiad na fydden nhw byth yn ei nghofio.
We are confident here at Ysgol Llanfyllin that we can meet your individual needs and guide and support you as you transition into confident and resilient young adults. Whatever career you aspire to follow, our school has a proven track record in helping students like you onto the path to achieving these goals. We very much look forward to welcoming you at our sixth form in September, where you'll create long-lasting memories of Ysgol Llanfyllin that you'll treasure forever. Diolch yn fawr am wrando. Many thanks for listening.